Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's got a lot of people scratching their heads. Why is my federal income tax withheld so low in 2025? If you've glanced at your paycheck and noticed that Uncle Sam is taking a smaller bite than expected, don't worry. We're going to break this down step by step so you can understand what's happening and what to do about it. First off, let's quickly recap what federal income tax withholding is. It's the amount your employer deducts from your wages to cover your estimated tax bill for the year. This is based on information from your W-4 form, which tells your employer how much to withhold based on your income, filing status, and other factors. So, why might it be lower in 2025? One big reason could be updates to the IRS tax tables and withholding rules. The IRS revises these periodically, and for 2025, there might be adjustments due to inflation, economic changes, or new tax policies. For instance, if tax brackets have shifted or standard deductions increased, your withholding could automatically drop. Another factor is your W-4 form itself. If you haven't updated it recently, maybe after a life change like getting married, having a kid, or starting a side hustle, it might not reflect your current situation. Claiming too many allowances or not accounting for multiple jobs can lead to under-withholding. Additionally, if you have other sources of income, like freelance work or investments, that might not be factored into your main job's withholding, causing a mismatch. And don't forget about deductions and credits. Things like education expenses, charitable donations, or child tax credits could reduce your overall tax liability, resulting in less withheld upfront. To fix this, head over to the IRS website and use their withholding calculator. It takes just a few minutes and can help you adjust your W-4 for more accurate deductions. Remember, under-withholding might mean a surprise tax bill in April, so it's better to get it right now. In summary, low withholding in 2025 is often due to updated tax rules, personal changes, or incomplete forms. Stay proactive, and if you're unsure, chat with a tax pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.